What's going on, everybody? In this video, we've got something cool. We've got something a little different. And honestly, guys, it's something that I've been waiting for myself for quite some time. I've always wondered, why doesn't a subscription box exist for coins, for silver, for gold, for different types of coin collectibles? And guys, it's finally here. This is the silver box from the NeverEndingCoinClub. If you've not heard of these guys, I'll have a link in the description bar down below, but the website is NeverEndingCoin.club. It's not a .com or anything like that, so don't get confused. NeverEndingCoin.club. And what this basically is a monthly subscription box. They have 8 different subscription programs. We're going to bust this thing open right now, guys. Come on, let's check it out. All right, guys, so with this box here, I do want to let you know that this is somewhat of a paid sponsorship box. Now, the company here reached out to me. Chris over at NeverEndingCoinClub reached out to me and was like, hey, man, want to send you one of our boxes. Want you to check it out. Let me know what you think. I've seen some pictures on Instagram. I've seen some videos on YouTube. And I got to tell you guys, I am really, really excited about this. Now, Chris over at the NeverEndingCoinClub is an awesome dude. From what I know of him so far, he's very quick to respond to the emails. He's very honest, forthcoming guy. He is a firefighter, a full-time firefighter too. Not the guys that volunteer to do it on weekends. He does this as his full-time job. He is a full-time firefighter and medic. So that is very cool. He's on the front lines. He's one of our first responders. And with that, I'll tell you guys, before we even bust this thing open, he offers a 10% discount for life if you're a firefighter, police officer, EMT, if you're in the military, active or retired. He offers you guys a 10% discount. Obviously, you got to prove that you are who you say you are. But let's bust this thing open and see what we got. I'm very excited to crack this thing open. So first thing is, guys, it comes secured in a poly envelope, just like this. You can see that there's a box inside, so we're just gonna crack this open and see what we got here. Ooh, I like the coloring. Looks like a nice wood box. If you've seen my other videos, I like to keep my coins in cigar boxes. So this actually looks like a cigar box. It's a wooden kind of box, the NeverEndingCoinClub. Before we open this box, I do want to head on over to the webpage and show you guys some of the memberships that they have. They've got a bunch of different memberships. One of them is the beginner's membership. It's only $10 a month. Now, some of the things they include in that beginner membership could be silver certificate notes, old stamps, silver quarters, Indian head pennies, buffalo nickels, and a whole bunch more. So that's a great starter box, $10 a month. You can't go wrong there. They've also got a basic membership. That's going to include no less than 1 slab coin, which is not graded. It's also going to include 1 graded coin, whether it's PCGS, NGC, NECC, or ICG, plus a minimum of 1 gram of silver, and a whole bunch of other fun goodies. Now, the box that I've got right here, this is the silver membership. The silver membership will basically contain no less than a ½ ounce silver coin or bullion. It's also going to include a silver quarter or a dime, 1 PCGS, NGC, NECC, or ICG graded coin, plus 2 other slabbed coins, which are probably not going to be graded, but each box includes a bunch of goodies, all the fun stuff, like different silver bars, various sizes, different walking liberty halves. There's a whole bunch of stuff that they could include in the silver box. Now, the silver membership does run $35 every single month, and that's going to include shipping in the US. Shipping is free in the United States. However, if you're out of the United States, there are some issues with shipping bullion and stuff to certain countries, so just send them an email or head on over to the website and you can find out more information about your country and whether or not you can get this box there. So let's crack it open. Here we go. All right, should I turn this around? Should I do it turned around? Nah, let's just bust into it this way. Now, you know what? Let's turn it around. Let's do it old school. NeverEndingCoinClub, so we'll all be surprised together. All right, so we got a lot of the fun stuff. Nice, nice. That keeps the coins from bouncing around in the box. I like that. So first thing here I'm seeing, let's reach on in. We've got ourselves a steel cent from 1943. Gotta tell you, I don't own a steel cent, so this is very cool. This is very clean too, guys. Check it out. Wow. United States of America, 1 cent. Steel penny, very, very cool, guys. And it comes in there, it looks like he's got his own little slab, which is awesome. I dig it, I dig it. So that's the first thing we got in here. What else we got? We got another slab, let's pull this out. We've got a war nickel, 1942p war nickel. Very, very cool. I think I got a few of these in my cigar boxes back in the safe. Very cool, very cool. Let's see what else we got in here. I'm feeling a little something, looks like, what do we got? What do we got? Ooh, 1964 $50. Check it out, guys. This is 90% silver, so this is very, very cool. The halves are probably my favorite as far as 90% silver goes. I mean, this is pretty cool. I'm digging the toning on this. Nothing fancy, you know. It's a 64 half dollar. It's a winner in my book. It's a definite winner in my book. What else we got? I feel something a little small in here. What's this here? Got a little Buffalo Nick. You guys know I love my Buffalo Nicks. These are very cool. Comes in a nice little airtight case. You guys don't have any Buffalo Nicks. These are like almost like Morgan dollars to me. I know they don't have the same value, but they got a nice history that goes along with them. These coins could talk, right? So this is a dateless Buffalo Nick. Very cool nonetheless. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. What else we got in here? Got a little something in a pouch or a little baggie. Looks like we got a gram silver bar here. A little skull here, silver bar. Awesome, awesome. I don't have any grams. I do have a 5 gram bar, but I don't own any 1 gram. So this is pretty neat. Let's see what else we got. Some more fun stuff. Oh, we got a little something in here. Looks like we got 2 silver quarters, one from 1946. Get the other guy to peek through here. 1936 and 1946, 90% silver quarters, guys. Very cool. So far, we're racking up the silver here. We got the half dollar. We got basically $1 in junk silver. What else we got? There's still more. There's plenty more in this box. Let's reach in here. Got some more fun stuff. Let's see. What's this here? This feels like a big slab. Ooh, look at that, guys. A PCGS PR69 1977 Eisenhower dollar. Wow. This coin is like a proof finish. I mean, this is about as shiny as it gets. This is very, very nice. This is another coin that I do not own, guys. You know what? I'll tell you straight up. If you're into getting stuff that you don't normally get, and maybe you just don't think to buy these things to add into your stack, this is a very cool way to get some neat, interesting pieces, right? Maybe you're into buying coins. This is definitely a way to go. Maybe you're new to stacking silver. Maybe you're new to investing in coins. You just don't know what you like yet. This is a nice way to get a bunch of different stuff. See what tickles your fancy. See what hits you up. Got a couple other things. So we got a little card in here. The Never Ending Coin Club. There's the website, NeverEndingCoin.club. This is actually a magnet. So guess where that's going to go, guys? Right on the safe. Slap that right on the safe there. I'll put that in the back. And let's see. I think there's one other thing here. What is this here? We've got, let's see. Oh, it's one of their own. Check this out, guys. See if we can get the camera to focus. NECC, Never Ending Coin Club, hand poured. I guess this is a half ouncer. Let's see. Does it say a measurement on here? I don't see a weight stamped on there. So I don't know what the weight would be, but let's take off the plastic here and see what we got. If we can maybe, this is probably the hardest part of the box, is getting this thing open. I don't know how we're going to do it without busting out the knife and hopefully not scratching this up. There we go. I think I got it. I think I got it, guys. There we go. Now we're cooking with fire. Come on. I think I didn't clip my nails today. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. All right, all right. All right. This thing is pretty hefty. Nice little patina to it here. Got that silver shine, that 999 fine. You guys know I love my hand poured stuff. Hand poured's probably one of my favorite. Let's see if we can get this camera to focus. Got a little American flag on the back. Stamped CWP 999 fine silver. And my friends, this is a cool box. So let's turn this around, see what else we got in here. Some more fun stuff. Let's set the box down over here. The 1942 war nickel. We got a 1943 steel penny. We got a 1 gram silver bar with a demon looking skull on there. Come get you some of that. We got 2, count them up, boys, 2 90% silver quarters, 1946 and a 1936. We also got the $50 from 1964, which is JFK. We also got the ever so shiny. PCGS 1977 Eisenhower dollar coin, guys. This is very cool. Don't forget about the hand poured NECC bar. I don't know what the weight is on this, so maybe I will grab my scale real quick. We'll weigh it up. How about that? All right, so I got my trusty little scale. We've got the NECC hand poured bar. I'm gonna guess it's a ½ ounce. That's what it feels like. It's what it looks like. 15.4 grams. So yeah, we're looking at about a ½ ounce, and that's very, very cool. I dig. You can go to NeverEndingCoin.club. That is the website. If you are a member of the military, retired or active, if you're a first responder, firefighter, police officer, EMT, medic, whatever it is, let him know. He'll give you guys a hefty little discount off of the monthly box. And also, they are on Instagram. They do these really cool monthly giveaways just for members. You have to be a member of the monthly subscription box in order to be eligible to win their giveaways on Instagram. And I'll have their link for the Instagram page down below. But they basically have the same name, Never Ending Coin Club, over at Instagram. So if you guys are already subscribed to this box and you've been keeping this dirty little secret to yourselves, comment down below. Let me know how your experience has been thus far. I got to tell you, I'm pretty impressed. I'm definitely liking what I'm seeing here. It's a cool way to get introduced to new stuff. It's an interesting way to bring silver into your stack. Maybe you've got kids. Maybe you want to get your kids involved. And what kid doesn't like this kind of stuff, right? This just makes things exciting, more exciting. Just a reminder, guys, they do offer free shipping. So the prices you see on the website are including your shipping costs to the US. Certain countries you're not going to be able to get just because they can't. It's weird. I didn't know this until I spoke with Chris, that certain countries don't allow you to ship bullion to them. It's completely bizarre. You guys will be seeing more of these. I should be getting another one next month. They do ship out on the 4th of every month, and today is the 7th, so it does come very quick. We're talking 3 days, guys. It took 3 days to get here after they shipped that box out to me. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button down below. Make sure you have that bell icon smashed as well so you can be notified when new videos just like this one come out. But that's it for me, guys. I'll talk to you again real soon. Peace out, YouTube.